How to fix a Facebook hobbies option not showing problem on Facebook. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you the exact solution how you can fix a hobbies option not showing on your Facebook profile, and then I'll also tell you that how you can get this hobby option on your Facebook profile. So guys, what happened, most of the time we see many people using Facebook and they have the hobbies option on their profile, but however, when we visit our profile and we click on the edit profile, and then we come to know that we don't have the hobbies option. So now what comes, why many people have the hobbies option and why we do not have that option? Simply it because of some of the latest update. So like, I'll tell you the exact solution. I'll tell you 3 steps to fix this problem, so stay tuned till the end. Now let me tell you one thing. Before proceeding further, consider to subscribe my YouTube channel, because I'm new on YouTube and then I just want to grow more and more on YouTube, and only because you guys, if you support me, then only I will be growing on YouTube. Okay, so please consider to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Now guys, the first thing you have to do is you have to open your Play Store. Now after opening your Play Store, here you have to search for Facebook. Okay, I'll tell you 3 steps. Okay, this one is the first steps. Another 2 steps will be the major solution for your problem. Now let's whenever we do not update the Facebook, what happen is Facebook team update their application usually. Okay, they update the weekly, monthly, they usually update their Facebook. And then if the hobbies new feature is not available on your Facebook app, then the first thing you have to do is update your Facebook app. Because if the feature is just updated recently and you haven't updated your Facebook app from past months or weeks, then you will never get the hobby option on your Facebook profile. So first thing you have to do is you have to update your Facebook. Okay, and after updating your Facebook, go to your Facebook profile, and then here you have to go to the sidebar, and then you have to go to your profile, and then here you have to click on the edit profile, and now you have to scroll down and then check the hobbies option. If you find it, if you got the hobby option after updating your Facebook, then that's great. But if you are still facing the problem, if you are not getting hobbies option, then now follow the second step. Now the second step is go to Play Store, and then here scroll down, and then you will see the beta version. As you can see, switch account to become a beta tester. Now what you can do is, if it is showing you join beta tester, then you have to join the beta tester. Now what happens, many times what Facebook do is they experiment with their apps by before launching some feature like hobbies. Before launching officially the hobbies feature, what they do is they provide the latest feature only to the beta version, those who have joined the beta versions. Okay, now what you can do is, if the hobbies feature is a recently introduced feature and that is not available for all the Facebook user, then what you can do is you just join the beta version and then go to Facebook app, do as I already said to you, go to your sidebar and then go to your profile and then edit profile, and then see it appears or not. If it appears, that's great. But if it doesn't appears hobbies option on your profile, then the third thing is what you can do, I suggest to you. Now the third thing what you can do is you have to go to your Facebook account, and then you have to go to your settings. Now go to sidebar and then scroll down, and then here you'll see setting and privacy, and then click on the setting option. Okay, no, don't click on the setting option, because you are already getting the option of the help and support. Click on the help and support, and then you have to report a problem here, and then report a problem. And then what you can do here is, now let's do one thing. Report a problem, help center, report a problem here. Now now what they are saying is shake your mobile to report a problem. Okay, okay, I'm shaking my mobile but it is not showing the problem. How to report abuse, something isn't working. Click on this something isn't working. Okay, something isn't working. And then now what you have to do is now you have to do buy and sell, check iPhone marketplace, notification dots, pages, and then profile. And then what you have to do is you have to go to the you just go to the profile. Okay, and now you have to briefly explain them here. Hi team, hi team, I have seen hobbies option to all my Facebook friends on to all my Facebook friends profile, but it is not PEARING. It is not appearing on my profile. So now you can say, can you please explain it or fix it to my profile, and then thanks, and then here your name. So after briefing your problem here, and then you just have to click on the now what you can do is you just have to go. Okay, you can select the screenshot or you cannot select it. It's not mandatory. Okay, now click on the send button. As you can see on the top right corner, click on the send button, and after clicking on the send button, your problem will be submitted to the Facebook team, and then they will get back to you within 24 hours after getting the issue. Okay, so guys, these are the three problem which by which you can fix your problems. Now if as I already told you, now if your problem is fixable, then they will definitely help you, and they will also tell you the reason why the hobbies option is not showing on your profile. So I hope this video helps you. Till then, bye bye, take care.